Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we are touring the home of Teyana Taylor and Iman Shumpert. The home is an elegant, four-side brick home, with luxury features throughout, and a full finished terrace level. It also has a spacious chef's kitchen, with ample cabinetry, island, granite countertops all overlooking a striking, two-story family room with a gas fireplace, and built-ins. There is a true owner's retreat, with tray ceilings, separate sitting area, hardwood floors, double-sided fireplace, and private ensuite, that features fireside jetted tub, with his and her closets. There is fully finished terrace level, with separate family room, and wet bar. A separate living, and dining room, beautiful hardwoods, and elevator servicing all 3 levels. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.